Okay then, let's kick this off with a new device, a little bit of gadget gear that I got sent today. Thank you, Amazon. This is, well, it says I don't know, DC drive cable. Now, if you're wondering what the hell this is, can be quite a good, well, we'll find out, can be quite a good idea for those that do a lot of recording on YouTube, for example. They don't want to keep changing out their batteries. So what this basically does, it emulates a battery, or the size of the battery, plugs into your camera, and you can power it from a USB source. So maybe a good idea. So let's get in and have a look, see if it's any good and if it's worth using. Okay, right, these are the bits that you get included with this kit shown here. Bought it on Amazon. Kind of an unbranded name. I'm not aware of the brand name itself. DC coupler. What does that say? DrRE12. This is for LP-E12 batteries. And this is the dummy battery. You can see there it's the DC input jack, which is a small barrel type. It's actually quite small. And you've got your 3 pins that go into your camera if it accepts the LP-12 battery, that is. This is the device that you get, the power plug pack. It is rated for 5 volts and 3 amps output. So that's 15 watts that this will produce or give out to this specific device. It does have, on the actual cable itself, it does have a USB, like a DC to DC converter, I suppose. I don't know if it outputs a different voltage to 5 volts. Ah, yeah, so this converts 5 volts coming from your supplier and outputs a DC voltage of 7.6 volts, which is then supplied to the dummy battery that goes into your camera. So I personally think it's a good idea. One downside is, especially for me, I own a Canon M100, and the battery pack where this is to be situated is actually underneath the camera. Now if you've got it mounted on a tripod like I do, this doesn't work very well because there's not enough space for where the jack comes out, and you can't even close the battery holder underneath either. So do think about that and be wary of that when you're buying this piece of equipment, because I wasn't wary of that and I bought it and now I'm kind of stuck. So unless you're freehanding your camera and holding as you manually without a tripod use, which I'm unfortunately currently using, it would be alright. But if you're using a tripod, this isn't really aimed for you. So if you do think of buying one, please be aware of that, as I wasn't aware of that, so I'm kind of caught. But it does work pretty good.